Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and my name is Chirag. Today we are going to discuss how we can install Docker in Windows Home Machine. As I'm using Windows Home Machine, so I'm going to show you how we can install. So let me open google.com and write Docker install, and here first link I have to click and you will get all the options. So guys, if you are using Mac, then you have go to Mac. If you are using Windows machine, you can go to Windows machine, and if you are using Linux, you will have go to Linux. As I am using Windows machine, so I click on this icon, and in for the Windows guys who are using, so they have a sub predefined condition they have given. They said that okay, if you have a 64-bit pro enterprise and education license, if you do not have any of this license, then you cannot set up this Windows Docker on Windows. Then they also give a install Docker on Windows Home, which they recently released. So if in this Docker you have also give us some conditions, right? So you have to some predefined steps, predefined specification for Windows they have given. So I have installed that. I have downloaded from here, that's Windows Home, but when I try to install, so there some message has come that for Windows Home you should have 19018 upgrade version. So currently I do not have that Windows updated version, so how can I install? So this is the way. So we can use a different approach to installing Docker on Windows Home machine which do not have this updated version. We can use install Docker tools on Windows. So this is the one install Docker tools is a one legacy desktop solution. You can see Docker toolbox is for older Mac and Windows system that do not meet the requirement. Guys, if you meet the requirement, you can go and just install what is your system, Mac, Windows, anything. If you want, just download from here. You will get exe. You just go and download exe as a simple software. For those guys who do not match their requirement, they can use the Docker toolbox for their Docker version. There also a precondition they have provided for Docker toolbox install. So you have visualization is enabled for this service. If you do not have, just go do some Google and you will get some videos in which you will get enable this visualization, right? So after that, how we can check? We can check through a task manager. In task manager, if I go to performance, you will get visualizations enabled. If you have visualizations enabled, then you will have to download their installed Docker toolbox from toolbox release. When I click on this release, then I will get a page, and here I will get exe. Once I will get install that exe, I will get toolbox 19.031.exe. So how we can install? This is a simple method which we install a simple software. You will have to you will have to accept their license, next. You will have to click on finish. Then if you have visual box previously in your system that it do not download, if you do not have, then when installation it will download visual box. Once you download, you will get three icon, same icon which I will get. As I already has a visual box, then I will not get that icon, but I will get these two icon, Docker quick start terminal and another one. When I double click on this Docker quick start terminal, then at first time it will take some time. After that it will launch my Docker terminal. So this is my Docker terminal. If I clear and check for Docker version, so the Docker version is, this is my Docker version, which is 19.09. let me clear and then show you. So this is my Docker version, right? So in this way you will get the Docker, and all the commands which we use, this comes in a Docker. If I have to use Docker help, then all the commands, these all the commands which we have to use in Docker, and these the management commands, and these also other commands which we have to use. These are some options they are also provided. So in this way we can install our Docker on the machine which do not met their requirement. If you are met their requirement and you watch you are using Windows, then go for the Windows. If you are using Mac, then go to the Mac. So by using next, you will easily install that Docker on your machine. So guys, in this video I am just going to show this how we can install Docker in our machine. So thank you for watching this video. Bye bye, take care.